The House of the Seven Gables and Nathaniel Hawthorne. And you're probably thinking to yourself, as I did up to about, well, maybe 20 minutes ago, who is that? Which football team does he play for? But apparently he wrote a book, and several books. I'm going to give this to Lisa, because although I should say that I did see the film The Scarlet Letter with Demi Moore. That might have been the only reason I went to see that film, mind you, but maybe not. Okay, here I'm passing it. Lisa can tell you about Nathaniel Hawthorne and the House of the Seven Gables, more importantly.
Hi subscribers. Okay, so the House of the Seven Gables, you can see some of the rooftops there. The House of the Seven Gables was the inspiration for Nathaniel Hawthorne's book, The House of the Seven Gables. But I know him for writing The Scarlet Letter. And The Scarlet Letter is about... Woo! We ran over by a Salem fire engine. You know, it's quite noisy, but The Scarlet Letter talks about puritanical times, and again, kind of the whole hysteria of the discriminatory nature of fundamental beliefs. And I think I'll hand it over to Peter, and we'll talk more later, but we're kind of in the middle of a...
The bus stop, yeah? Is the bus stop? Isn't that the bus?
Not a bus, the firemen are coming.
It's red, it must be a bus.
They're saving someone.
It must be the bus stop.
Honey, let's go around and see if we can see a view.
Oh, now there's a police car behind him.
Let's go around if we can see a view.
Honey, there's a police car.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, what did he drive down there? I mean... Now it's starting to rain. You gods.
You're gonna have to delete that.
Oh, that's my hand. That's the fire engine. That's the police car. That's the rain. What else? We've got to go, bye.